ハロー、皆さんこんにちは。なつみぶるーです。今回はリクエストをいただいていたルームツアーをやっていきたいと思います。ぜひ最後までご視聴ください。
High school halls, you're the prettiest girl there ever was. Annie, darling, you're so sweet, and I'm so glad we had the chance to meet you. Caught my eye and you held my stare. I haven't broken it yet for over 50 years. Thanks for letting me lay by your side and all those kisses every night. Wow, when you're away, do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life with you? We started ourselves a family. The boys, they came 1, 2, 3, and now they have little ones of their own, and half of them are halfway grown. I followed you around the world, and I still think you're the prettiest girl. And I got to dance with my best friend, so I'm the luckiest man that's ever been. Why, when you're away, do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life with you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life? Why, when you're away, do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life with you?
Wondering if thousands of miles away the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. 'Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be with me. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. Da-dun-dun-dun. Oh, today I am time traveling.
And every time that you are closing your eyes, I will be beside you, and my heart will glide across the miles to fly right to you. 'Cause when I dive into the traffic, the echo of your voice is all I hear. I'm never tired of your laughing so far, but ever so near. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I start a brand new day around the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I'm time traveling. So today I am time traveling.
All the live long day, all the live long day, I'll be moving along, singing my song, running around, ain't nothing wrong. All the live long day. I said all the live long day. Baby got her shoes on, she wants to move. Looking for trouble, honey, is it you? Feel the world under her feet, all the cracks up in the concrete. Take a step back, she's coming through.
The birds fly south as the light leaves your eyes. Hold on to your dream. Oh, I know you wanna scream. Since the day you're born, you're just a flower on your own, waiting for the sun to blossom, hoping to break through the storm.
Wake up in the morning, rolling over, looking over at you. Clothes are scattered all over the room. Oh, what did we do? Don't know how it happened, it just happened. We were laughing and I think I might have leaned like, is this alright? Oh, but you didn't mind. My bad. This is probably a bad idea, and I know we shouldn't take it here, but now you're in my bed, looking at me like that. No, don't look at me like that. I know you shouldn't fuck your friends. I mean, it's kinda common sense, but nobody's catching feelings, nobody's leaving thinking, are we gonna talk about what it meant? I know you shouldn't fuck your friends, just testing out the tension, and nobody's catching feelings. Still gonna hang all weekend. We can just call it what it is. Yeah. Blame it on the whiskey, yeah, that pushed me into kissing your lips. But to be honest, probably would've done it. Oh,
without a sip. This is probably a bad idea, and I know we shouldn't take it here, but now you're in my bed, looking at me like that. No, don't look at me like that. I know you shouldn't fuck your friends. I mean, it's kinda common sense, but nobody's catching feelings. Nobody's leaving thinking, are we gonna talk about what it meant? I know you shouldn't fuck your friends, but we're just testing out the tension. And nobody's catching feelings. Still gonna hang all weekend. We can just call it what it is. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da da. I know you shouldn't. I know you shouldn't. Da da da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da da. I know you shouldn't. I know you shouldn't fuck your friends. I know you've got a secret like a child, you wanna keep it, but your shiny eyes reveal the simple truth. And every time you look at me, you start to smile immediately. It's funny, you don't have to say a word. And I know you're too shy to tell me what's on your heart, and life's too short for me to wait for you to be mine. I won't wait another day to tell you I'm not afraid to say I love your way. And now there's nothing left to hide. I know you better than you know yourself, but there is so much more to learn. I remember you were shy to tell me what's on your heart, and life was short for me to wait for you to be mine. I won't wait another day to tell you I'm not afraid to say I won't wait another day to tell you I love your way.
今回の動画はいかがでしたか？この動画が少しでも面白かったよという方、ぜひグッドボタンお願いいたします。また、なつみブルーは DIY やインテリアグリーンに関して動画を作っていますので、ぜひそちらもチェックしてみてください。チャンネル登録がお済みでない方は、ぜひチャンネル登録もよろしくお願いいたします。最後までご視聴いただきありがとうございました。ではまた次の動画でもお会いしましょう。バイバーイ。